So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install and use NVM on Windows. NVM stands for Node Version Manager, which is a tool used for installing Node.js and using the Node.js version of your choice. It helps you to switch between Node.js version while also allowing to work with multiple NPM versions. It is easy to use on any POSIX compliant shelf like Bash, etc. And it also supports operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac OS. So in this video, we are going to show you how to install NVM on Windows. So first of all, guys, you have to go to this link. So where the NVM setup is available. So you can download the zip file of the installation file. So you can download this one. You can click on nvm setup zip file. So it will start downloading now. So you just need to extract this file. So let's open this file first. Let's extract here. Accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So now click on install. So once it is installed, now we can run the following command to check whether it is working or not. So once the NVM install on your system, you have to open the Power Shell on your system as admin. Power Shell as admin. So now, guys, you have to check whether the what are the versions has been installed on our system. So NVM ls. So now there is no installation right now. So to install, we can use the NVM latest install latest version. So, but more likely to have issue with than the LTS version. So we have to install. We have first of all, you have to first looking up what the current LTS version is with the NVM latest version. So we have to check that. We can check by NVM list available. So this is our current list. So current 18.7.0 version is compatible with LTS 16.16 version. So how we are going to install this? So first of all, So we have to install the latest LTS version, which is compatible with the current NVM version. So how can we install that? So first of all, we have to type nvm install, and what is the current version of LTS? 16.16.0. So you just need to enter here, and it will start downloading Node.js version 16.16.0. So it is now downloading, extracting. And as you can see, our latest version of LTS has been installed. So to check, we have to use. So let's see what are the latest version what are the versions of Node are installed. So to check, we can use the command nvm ls. So you can see right now. So right now, guys, only LTS has been installed. We need to install this NVM current version 18.7.1. Oh, so we have to install this as well. So how can we do that? We can use again NVM install 18.7.0. Now let's see what are the NVM version installed. So NVM, let's type again NVM and ls. And as you can see, there are two versions of NVM install, and both are latest one. So if you want to use any version right now, so you just have to just use NVM use and type the version name version. So suppose I want to use 18.7.0. So we have to use I have to use NVM use 18.7.0 version, so just use it. So now using Node 8 version 18.7.0 64-bit. Now you can take if you want to if you would like to use for a project, you can create a project directory, and to create project directory you have to use mkdir make directory. It means, and like node test. Once it is created, now we have to use cd. Now we have to navigate this directory. So we have to use cd and node test. And now we have entered into node test directory. So now we have to use you can use the nvm use. Now we're going to replace version now. So like NVM, what are the versions? 16.16.0. So now using 16.16.0 version. So if you want to verify a version of npm, you can use that. So what is the command? Npm version. So you can see that it is 8.11.0. Fine. So you can use the NVS Node version feature with the Visual Studio Code. So if you want to know how to do that, you can ask in comment section. I can make a video on that. So you can use Visual Studio Code with Node.js as well. And if you don't know how to install Visual Studio, I have made the video on that. You can go and check it out. The link is given in the description. So go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you get it how to use Node.js on Windows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.